Hey, what we have found is that when you have the controls turned on for your video player, the videos that have those enabled actually convert at a higher rate. So let me show you what this actually means, because it's based on billions of plays that have delivered $3 billion in revenue. So this is something that we have a pretty clear signal in, and we consider it to be a best practice for videos. So over here on this page, I'm talking about the controls on the video player, not the seeking bar itself, but the volume, closed captions, the settings, the full screen button, the little play button, the rewind button. When videos have this turned on, these videos tend to convert better. Now, that's not a head-to-head split test per se, but it is a clear signal that basically these videos perform better. So let me show you how to turn these on. So in your Vidalytics account, you're gonna go to the settings page of the video you wanna work with, and under Style, we're gonna have Controls, right? So we can even close these different sections here if we wanted, but these are all part of the top one, Controls. And I'm specifically talking about always show control bar. This is something where it doesn't hide away, but we generally don't want to do that one. The big play button is the one in the center of the video. That's one that we recommend that you have, but you know, it's up to you as far as how you use that, such as if you have a thumbnail that's going to have a play like button in the middle of it. The small play button in the bottom left, the settings, which would be quality and speed control, the volume, full screen, all right, and then rewind on the seeking bar. Those are the controls that I'm talking about here. In a different video, I'm actually gonna talk about the seeking bar because we have several different kind of strategies and tactics for using a seeking bar, especially in a video funnel that's gonna be longer, like a VSL. But for now, these are the settings that we recommend that you turn on out of the gate. It's really simple to do. It takes a few seconds just to click these buttons. So go ahead and take care of that now.